Hello friends, it's Miss Nora here from the CH Booth Library, and I am here today to talk to you about celebrating the anniversary of the publication of Peter H. Reynolds' book, The Dot. Some of you have read it at the library, some of you have listened to it at story time. It is a book for all ages, and this year we decided to join in the celebration. There are 185 countries that are participating, and people all across the world. So we thought it'd be fun for CH Booth Library and our patrons to join in the fun too. Peter says that we can celebrate Dot Day any way we like. We can wear dots. We can write a poem. We can send a dot to a friend. We can make dot art with friends. There's no wrong way to make a dot. I bought some dot candy to eat on celebrating Dot Day. So I started today by taking out the bag I picked up at the CH Booth Library. It was at curbside pickup, and it was a grab and go bag, so it had some things in there to get you started, to give you some ideas, but I hope you come up with all of your own ideas too. There are pages in there that have frames, and you can just draw your art and color that frame in. So there were different ideas there that Peter included in his many ideas of things to use and do. And there was also a piece of paper that had dots on it. And I folded my paper. I folded it twice, and then I cut out the center of it so that when I open it up, I have a picture frame. And I'm going to put a photo of my family from the summer in there and put that on my refrigerator. So I've used that. Another thing that's in there is an old disc. And I'm going to take my disc, I'm going to decorate it, and I will post pictures of this. I think I'm going to hang it on a string or fishing line or something. I'm going to hang them out of my garden, and I'm going to have a dot garden. And I'm going to think of some other ways, I hope you will too, of decorating the garden with dots. I started by, found a cup, and I got some paint out, and I started my first dot creation. I made a dot there, and I thought, that looks like a snowman head. Do you think it looks like the head of a snowman? And so I kept making dots, and this is my dot art. So I made a snowman, and then I took some of the things from the bag to decorate him with, to make his buttons and his nose and his eyes. And then I thought I would make a bright red scarf, so I'm going to take the cork that was in the bag, and I am going to have fun painting his scarf. And I'll add on to him some other things. So that's just an idea. That's my first creation. I hope you share all of your great ideas with us. We ask if you want to send us pictures, photos of your creation. We will share them online. You can email us at children@chboothlibrary.org. Also, you can post your pictures with people from all around the world. If you post them on Instagram and you hashtag chboothchildren, that way we'll know that you're our patron and sharing your dots. So that would be fun. One thing that I would encourage you to do, and Peter encourages everyone to do, is to always sign your art. I'll sign mine, Miss Nora, and to put the date on it so that we can remember celebrating what year we were celebrating in. And so please let us know how it's going. Don't wait till the 15th. You can start posting your dots now. I'm going to challenge you to, I'm going to draw a dot And I challenge you to make that into create a work of art out of that dot. So look forward to seeing what you create, and I hope you have a great time doing it. Take care.